Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. Today we are going to explore something super exciting, the bodycon high neck gala design. If you love fashion and want to stay on top of the latest trends, you are in the right place. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you enjoy this video, please like it and share it with your friends who loves fashion. Let's dive right in. So what a bodycon high neck gala design. Picture this a dress that hugs your body in all the right place with a high neckline that adds a touch of elegance. This design combines the sleek fitted look for a bodycon dress with the touch of a high neck, making it perfect for formal events and special occasions. Let's break down the key features. First up, the bodycon shape. This design follows the natural curves of your body, creating a smooth and the high neck adds a classy touch and can come in different styles like a simple mock neck or more high collar. Together, these elements create a stunning look that's both stylish and graceful. Why is the bodycon high neck design so popular right now? Well, it's all about the mix of elegance and modern style. The high neck add a unique twist to the classic bodycon design, making it a favorite of events like galas, wedding, and red carpet occasions. It's a great way to stand out while looking, and celebrities are loving this trend. Two stars like have been spotted wear bodycon high neck gala design. On the red carpet, their styling looks have made these dresses even more popular, inspiring fashion lovers everywhere to try this chic style. You might think a bodycon high neck gala design is just for fancy events, but you can style it for everyday wear too. For a more casual look, pair it with the denim jackets and some cool sneakers. This gives the dress a laid back vibe while still letting you shine. For formal occasions, go all out with elegant accessories. Think high heels, a sleek clutch, and some sparkling jewelry. You can also add a matching shawl or warp if it's a bit chilly. This look is perfect for wedding, fancy dinners, and other special events. When it comes to accessories, keep it balanced. A simple necklace or delicate earrings working well, with the high neck allowing the dress to remain the focal points. If you are wearing statement pieces like a blood necklace, make sure it complements with the right neck. And ready to find your perfect bodycon high neck gala design, check out stores like Popular and for a variety of options. They offer both high-end and budget-friendly choices, so you can find something that fits your style and budget. Shopping online websites like have great selection. Make sure to check the size chart and read reviews to get the best fit. And do not forget to look any special promotion or discount. If you are on a budget, there are still plenty of stylish options. Stores like offer bodycon high neck gala design at lower prices. Keep an eye out for sales and items for to score a great deal. Feeling creative, you can make your own bodycon high neck gala design. Start with the pattern that fits your style and choose a fabric that's comfortable and stylish. Follow the pattern instruction carefully and you will have a custom dress that uniquely yours and your own personal touch by customizing your dye design. Try adding embellishment like or beads to the high neck or using fabric paints for a unique pattern. The sky the limit when it comes to personalize your dress. Let's take a look at some real life example of people rocking bodycon high neck gala design. Each person has styled their dress in their own way, proving just how versatile and fabulous this design can be. We have also gathered some feedback from people who have worn this design. Many love how comfortable and stylish these dresses are. If you have tried one yourself, we have loved to hear about your experience in the comments. One common mistake is not getting the right fit. Be sure to measure yourself and refer to size guides when shopping. A well-fitting dress will not only look better but also feel more comfortable. Another things to watch out is for our accessories. While accessories can enhance your look, too many can distract from the elegance of the bodycon. High neck designs stick to a few key pieces for a balanced look. Proper care is essential to keep your dress looking its best. Follow the care instruction on the label to avoid damaging the fabric. Handle your dress gently and store it properly to maintain its quality. If you have not tried a bodycon high neck gala design yet, now the time experiment with different style and see how this trendy design can work for you. Whether you are going to a gala or just want to add some glamour to your everyday look, it's a great option. Let's start with the basic. A bodycon high neck gala design is a type of dress that combines the sleek from fitting of a bodycon dress with a high neck that adds an extra touch of elegance. This design is perfect for those formal occasions where you want to look both stylish and the bodycon the dress is tailored to follow your body natural lines, creating a smooth, streamlined look. The high neck add a touch. It can be simple mop neck, a high collar, or even embellishment with decorate elements. These dresses often come in luxurious fabrics like stain, velvet, or chiffon, enhancing their formal appeal. Look for features like long sleeves, intricate patterns, or even stemple embellishment that makes each dress unique. So why is the bodycon high neck gala design trending? The combination of elegance and modernity makes it a standout choice for many. The high neck adds a refreshing twist to the classic bodycon style, making it perfect for a variety of events. This trend is all about embracing while staying stylish and current. Parties, anniversaries are also loving this trend and high neck gala design at events like awards, show and red carpet appearance. Their stunning looks have inspired many fashions to try this design for themselves. Check out their outfit for some fabulous styles inspiration. The fashion industry has embraced the bodycon high neck design due its versatile and elegance. It features in top fashion magazines and runway shows, highlighting its status as a must-have design for any fashion-conscious individual. You might think these dresses are only for fancy occasions, but you can totally style them for more casual outings too. For a relaxed look, pair your bodycon high neck design with the denim jackets and sneakers. This combo adds a cool casual vibe while style letting your dress shine. For formal events, elevate your look with accessories and a matching shawl or wart can also add an extra touch of glamour. This look is ideal of wedding, gala dinners and other special occasions where you want to make a statement. Seasonal styling can also transform your bodycon high neck gala design in winter layer with a cozy coat and some tights to keep warm. For summer, choose lighter fabric and for open toe shoes and the high neck design well to various weather condition with the